Hi, I'm Dr. Brandon Adams, and in this video we're going to talk about parasite infections. So what's important to know about parasites is they're usually secondary in nature to your body. So what I mean by that is usually something is here first allowing them to be there, whether it be pesticides, heavy metals, halogens, environmental toxins, or just in a weakened immune system by something else. So if we took mercury's inside your body, it comes, it opens the door and says, all right, parasites, come on in. You know, you have a free reign here because we're doing so much damage to the body that it's worried about what we're doing. It won't even notice you guys being here. So diet, what you guys are eating is very important. So if you're a sushi lover, just know that you have probably loading yourself up on parasites because sushi is a huge source of it. So maybe some improperly cooked meats are another big route of how they get there. But you know, pets playing in the dirt, you know, just real dirty environments, they spur off these parasites. So most people always have them. It's important to know that. So most people got them, but they're normally secondary. So if we want to try to take some of them out, a minimum of 30 days consistent support is necessary, and that's a minimum. You know, it can go to a couple months depending on how loaded we are. And you know, that's only the beginning, because the real goal is you need to make sure you took away the guy who opened the door for the parasites to come in. You need to start removing those guys. So now our body will focus in on those parasite infections, and then with our added support we can start clearing them out. So some parasite symptoms that we can see would be constipation as they affect our gut, the gas and bloating that comes along with that, diarrhea, some irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel and Crohn's disease are a huge effect, you know, outcome of parasite infections. So very intimately related there. Joint and muscle aches, anemia, allergies, skin conditions affecting nervous system, so nervousness, anxiety, things like that come in. Tumors, sleep disorders, teeth grinding, fatigue, and immune dysregulation. So parasites have a whole host of things that they cause in the body. Let's take a look at some. This little guy right here, he is a liver fluke. Sets up shop in the liver and starts creating destruction and havoc there. So what we know happens in the liver is our thyroid hormone, T4, converts over to T3. So if the liver is being destroyed by this guy at the same time, as well as burdened by mercury and some other toxins, then you can really see how the T4 to T3 conversion can start to drop off as the liver has so much other stuff to worry about. So then we might start seeing some thyroid disorders based off of destruction by this guy. This one is Giardia. This is a common one here in our GI tract. It creates a lot of the bloating and just gastrointestinal issues. This scary guy right here is a hookworm, a type of hookworm called Necator americus, and he's just a real nasty looking guy. Now this gross picture is of tapeworms that have set up shop in a stomach lining. So they sit in there and then they take away all the proper nutrition that you should be getting from your diet, leaving you with only the crappy stuff. So, and that's of a dog, so it's not of a human, but it can happen in a human the same way. So it's important to know, anytime with parasites is usually they have a reason that the body didn't kill them off in the first place. And so we need to remove that reason first, whether it be the metals or some other kind of infection. So usually it's mercury, lead, and those metals those are your number one. So let's remove those, and then we can start going after these guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Dr. Brandon Adams, and I hope you have a great day.